Hey everybody. Be careful. Eh. What the? Sorry.
Sorry guys if he gets lost, he's like ain't been on this world this much. But if you guys want to subscribe to him, then I'll put his link to his channel in the description. So this is where we left off guys. So some of you guys might know Stan we don't know. And this is one of his like games he's created, which is the cat and mouse game. So here are the rules. I'm not going to read it. So that's the rules, guys. Now you know what the rules are. Then moving on.
Derp.
Next to it.
I'm just playing around with them. Alright, so where are we going now? Where are we going now?
This is one of the first games that was created on Minecraft. And you guys can see well there's 100 games over there, we'll get to that later. So you see these fours here, you actually can change it. Let's say red team can win 1-0. All you have to do is split this switch, this switch, this switch, and this switch. And then it says 1-0. As you can see, like we like this. So that's that. And here's number one, this is the challenge. So you have to verse your opponent to see who has mastered building skills and is the quickest at building. So you have to shoot your arrow at the target, and wherever the arrow lands on, you have to build, but we haven't written any signs yet. This is the golf course, as you can see. Here is like the entrance that we have to pay. And then over here, we walk through. And then you've got practice holes. And then you've got the rest of the holes like this. These are all the holes.
Where the heck are you?
Flying over this because we ain't got enough time.
Where are you?
This
I'm talking about. Sorry. There you are. Again, do you have to do this every time? What? Hi. Hi. Don't leave me. Lol.
really part of the fun.
Where is he? He keeps leaving me.
What this is using resources to make a cake. It's just so you can make cake. So there'll be like big canes growing over there, chickens over there, cows over there to get the milk and so forth. Now moving on, I think that's all down to these new mini games. Doggy Hockey, I think it was, where the dog starts here and then you have to verse your opponent to push the dog into this pot here. So yeah, that's that. And then moving over here, the final part really of the tour, because I don't want to get into more depth because I haven't got enough time. So this is the Hunger Games. And yeah, so the things meant to be like medieval. So as you can see, medieval house and tower, that was built by number one son that I put in the last description of my part 1 of the tour. Then over here is where you've got the chest, like the main bit. Got some nice waterfalls, got loads of biomes, we've got jungle, snow, sand.
Type. Where is he? He left me. Why leave me? Infamous.
Taylor, 50,000 up in there, and yeah, we ain't finished yet, so that'll be a good one to finish. So anything else I really need to show you guys at some mini games. Well, I might as well show you guys the other stuff. So over here. So this is the barn. So inside the barn, I've just got. The good thing is animals can't get through Jack for some reason. Only the character can. So this is the animals chickens, pigs, and cows. And because you're wondering where's the sheep, the sheep actually around here have got 2 each colour. So if I want to buy the serum, stick them in the village wall, it'll be really easy. Then over here is my rocket I built. So this rocket, you can actually got the ladder here. It actually takes you inside it. So here is the main part, control room.
Wait up.
And down here, you've got where you sleep. And then right at the bottom is where the fuel is done. But all I've done was some furnaces to come back and put the details out.
I keep falling. No, please don't leave me. Why do you leave my friend?
Looking at the back here,
What the heck?
I've built a home. Some of the people like retired now from their hard work. There's one of them. I'm just going to leave him now. Here is my cousin's house. This is near Reeple House. And here's the inside. They've done a triple bunk bed. As well, we've got a nice triple pitch. Over here is my Lucian village. Got some houses here. Also as well, we've got some other stuff which is like fire station. Well, also some.
I'm sorry, this video's me not talking. I just don't want to mess it up. Sorry, everybody who's watching his videos, but I'm gonna talk now. Amazing. Ah! Again! I fell! Help me! Help me! There we go. Dishy, 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 da, 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 da. I'm waiting. On land. Oh, there's a creeper over there, over there. Yeah, boom, boom, chicka, chicka. Boom, boom, chicka, chicka. Boom, boom, chicka, chicka, chicka. I wonder why he's not talking. I'm bathing. Dishy, 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 da, dasha, da, dishy, dishy. Oh, there he is. Alright. Where are we going, my friend? My friend, my friend. Wait, you're lagging. Where are they? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Hey, 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 hey. There's Infamous. All my stuff. And no stuff in there. Oh, this is my friend's room, by the way. He was playing Infamous. What you doing, buddy? Dishy. I'm Kyle XY. One more time, everybody. But this time from the high top of the building. What the heck happened? Anyways, let's do this. Okay, XY. Reference of Kyle XY. I had to. Oh, yo. Kyle XY. Boom. Check it out. I say output. Boom. And I can climb up this building. Hi. Why aren't you talking to me? Is the video finished? I think the video's finished, everybody. Bye-bye.